But out of all, this person is the special. Because this person is going to remember every student name and is always going to call by name only. Just hardly first day he may remember 2 members, man. 2 member names. Second day another 4 members. Like 1 week or 10 days got completed, then automatically he's remember every person name. By name he's going to call. Okay, sometimes what happen is, if I'm going to call just every person whoever I'm going to meet, most of the times by name I'm going to call. Just beside me, a person is coming, then he may get shocked. Arey, you know already this person is very close to you. My brother Nagur sir is always calling. You know, how you are going to talk? That person is a very free person. Like, how you are going to communicate like this? Nagur sir is always maintaining a bit distance. Okay, if any new person is there, then automatically just by name or otherwise, I'm going to talk very freely with that person. నువ్వేంది లడలడ అట్లా మాట్లాడేస్తుంటావు. You know already that person? No. No. Then how you are going to communicate? Okay, like now sir asked multiple times this one. If you are going for any function or somewhere, Array, today I can't come, can you please go? If you are not coming, sorry, I can't go. Like I can't go. So the communication and the conversations compulsory by name is the most important.